Welcome back to Tech Online. Today I'm going to introduce you to WRAPROWS as a new function in Excel and all spreadsheets. You can also find this in Google Sheets. So how do we use this and what is the purpose to this? When you copy data, either raw data or table data from the web. This is a report in Looker Studio from the web. I'll copy it, take this to my Excel. The moment I paste this in my Excel, that's the way how it appears. Very funny, it appears in one column, yet here it was in a table format. So sometimes we struggle. How do we struggle? Maybe I can first make this to black. So how do we struggle? You struggle by either copying this and pasting here. Let's say copy, then you go to paste, special and transpose. Yes, you can succeed with this, but it is manual. Imagine you have 10,000 rows running downwards. So that is not going to be viable. Someone else can say, I will drag this one by one, copy one by one as I insert it here. You go forward like that, but that is also another manual way to do. You can't do even more than 100 rows. So how do we do this? Excel introduces us to WRAPROWS function. So how do we use the WRAPROWS function? It is equal to wrap rows. So they will ask us for the vector that is the data range. I will start off even with my headers. So click the first one. Run up to the downward, the last row, that is Ctrl-Shift downward, down arrow. That will help you select all your data up to the bottom, comma. How much do we want to wrap? So we want to wrap every 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. The repetition is every after 6 rows. And when you go back to the raw data, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means I want to wrap this every 6 iterations. So you put a 6, pad width, we don't need it, close this and enter. So immediately you're going to have your data wrapped into an array. So this is our header. Don't mind on the headers, you can reformat this later, but you'll see that it has wrapped this from 1 to 10, and ideally you'll see that it runs up to 10, and it has wrapped it with all the data with the specific fields grouped together. And this is the way how it is in the original report or data set where you got it from. Otherwise, please continue liking our videos, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Otherwise, have a good day. Bye bye.